Lex the Fashionista back with another video. I know I've been gone for 10 months. I'm sorry, you guys. I've been trying to see what videos I could prepare for you guys and think of, but I couldn't really think of anything. But recently I've been buying, online shopping and things like that, and I purchased my first Telfar bag. I don't know if I'm saying it right, but yeah. So first I'm gonna give y'all the deeds of the product before I open it, because I haven't opened it, I haven't touched the box. I just received it today, June 11th, 2022. So let me start by saying when I first purchased the bag. So I first purchased the bag, and if I'm looking down, so I'm looking at my other phone, I purchased the bag on April 15th, and I received the bag today on June 11th through the bag security program. So I have never purchased from Telfar before, but I know that they have times that they drop or days that they drop, and if you don't get their bag in time, you missed out. So they sent me an email on April 12th about the bag security program, and it was mentioned that you could get any bag, any size, but you would have to wait for it to come in. So I purchased the bag, like I said, on April 15th, 3 days after they sent that email about the bag security program. I never heard about it, never knew anything about it, but I knew that it would be a wait. So I purchased the bag 3 days later, and I received it 2 months later, which is today, June 11th. I've seen videos where they said that people were waiting for like 4 to 6 months. I waited like 2 months for my bag, and I didn't have those issues, but they did send me an email on June 2nd, the beginning of this month, that said that we'll ship your bag out a little bit earlier than what we said. So that's always a good thing when your stuff is shipped way before your desired time. And I've been wanting this particular bag since May of 2021. I look back in my camera roll, and I've been wanting this bag for longer than I could remember. I took a screenshot of this particular bag a long time ago, like a year ago. And so I finally got the bag today, and I'm gonna unbox it with you guys, and I'm gonna give my first impressions of it. So let's open the box. Now I didn't even tell y'all what I purchased. I purchased the Azalea bag. It's like this pretty pink color. I don't know if you guys can see that. And I got it in the size large. Now you can get your bag small, medium, or large. Like if y'all seen my bag collection video, y'all know that I like big bags. Huge shopper bags, and this was right up my alley to get this particular bag. So I've seen reviews. I had to watch reviews before I made this video, and people were saying that the large was too big and they didn't like it. I'm the total opposite. I wanted it. I had to get it. Like I said, I've been wanting this bag for a year now. This particular color, this particular size, and this particular bag from this particular brand. So let's see. And I'm gonna be starting to be more consistent. I have some more unboxing videos to do when my other stuff come in the mail. And I think I'm back. I'm opening it. It's huge, y'all. Huge box. Ooh. This is the bag. Large Azalea shopping bag is what it says. It's very big. gonna keep this bag. I'm gonna keep it. This is a recycling bag. It's a plastic bag. I'm keeping it. Putting stuff in here. Open it up. I think people call this the dust bag. It's a dust bag that it came in. Like so. And here's my baby. Look at that. Look at that. Pink is my favorite color. So I had to get her. She's beautiful. This bag is bigger than me. Wow. I'm sorry. So it came in the little Velcro on straps. Got the beautiful logo. And I forgot to tell y'all how much I paid for it. How could I forget that? So I paid, well, I'm still making payments on the bag, but I paid $278.20. The tax was $21.20. You could either pay the whole amount, or you can use an app called Klarna, where you can make installments and make payments on it. And I chose to do the Klarna route, and I'm paying $49.11 every 2 weeks. I'd rather do that than pay almost $300 for a bag. So you could either take your pick, whichever you want to do. And I just want to give a disclaimer. I seen a video today, June 11th, about Beyonce having a bag like this. I didn't know that until today. So I know a lot of people get the bags because they seen her with the bag, but I didn't purchase it because I didn't even know. So I don't be in social media like that. But this is my baby. I don't even want to touch it. It's so beautiful. We're going to take it off. We're going to take the Velcro off. And I'm going to show y'all what's inside. Comes with the big straps, and it comes with the small straps if you want to just hold it, or you want to have it on your shoulder like so. Open her up. And this is what you get. And I seen another a YouTube video where you can buy like organizers and you can put them inside. I think I'm gonna do that just so I can preserve the inside of the bag. And then it has a zipper on the side. I think I will put my phone on the side and like some lip gloss or something. But as far as like any other pockets inside of the bag, oh, there's another pocket on this side too. So you can put anything over here too. But it's very spacious inside as well. Yeah. The texture of the bag is very nice. It's very soft. Feels very nice and expensive. It doesn't feel cheap or anything like that. So yeah, I feel like this could be like an everyday bag. I probably wouldn't wear it every day just to preserve it. I don't go too many places, so I wouldn't take this bag everywhere. But like I said, you could either make installments on it, or you could pay $280 roughly. Depends on your sales tax in your state. But I love it. And it's picking up the color very nicely. It's really this vibrant. It's really this color. Like I said, it came in like a dust bag. You could keep this bag and use it. You could put your it's like a drawstring bag. You could put your clothes in here. You could put makeup in here. You could put basically anything. Just a bag to recycle and reuse. love it. Like I said, you could either choose a small, a medium, or a large bag. If a large bag is not your thing, you could go the medium route. If the medium route is still too big, you can do a small bag. But either or, I feel like you guys should definitely copy one. If everything is sold out, you should keep your emails open. You should sign up for Telfar emails. They'll send you like bag security programs, but you only get it a couple times a year. They don't just like keep sending out the email about the bag security program. I was lucky enough to get my bag in 2 months, but you may be one of those people where it take 4 months, where it may take 6 months. Just be patient, because what the bag security program is everything is sold out, right? Everything is sold out on the website, but they give you a short amount of time to purchase whatever size bag you want, whatever color you want, and they'll ship it whenever they make your bag, because it's not at the warehouse or wherever they get the bags from. They have to make it, so you have to be patient. If you're not a patient person, I feel like a bag security program isn't for you. You should get it when it gets on the website or when it drops. But I didn't mind waiting. I wasn't in a rush, because I know that they had to make it and things like that, but it came earlier than expected, which is always good. So I feel like you guys should copy one. This is my very first Telfar bag, and I love it. It's beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful. I think I gave y'all all the deets about the bag. Like I said, I wanted this bag back in May 21st, 2021. We are now in 2022, and I just got it June 11th of 2022. So if you want something in life, you don't have to get something like immediately. I know that we're in a generation where we want stuff fast. We want stuff now. I need whatever I want to get now. But sometimes we gotta wait and maybe get right with our finances and, you know, things like that before we can just jump on something. Because the bag's still there. A year later, the bag is still, you know, it's still alive. It's still thriving. So sometimes we can't act on what we want immediately. Maybe we gotta take a year and come back and be like, you know what, I'm ready to get that now. And that's what I had to do. I couldn't get it a year ago, or I would have got it a year ago if I could. But a year later, the email came out about the security. Well, I caught an email a year later. They probably had multiple security program emails come out, but I don't think I was paying attention to that, honestly. But this time around, it caught my attention. I was like, oh, security program, I know what that is. Let me cop and let me make installments on it. You don't have to pay everything. You don't have to pay $300 right off the bat. I would rather pay $49.11 every 2 weeks. So that's the deeds about the bag. She cute. I love it. Go cop. And I will be back with another video maybe in the next week or two. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, you guys. And catch you on the next video.